friends, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Emma and this is Emma's Cottage. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a fun little hack that I use to help decorate above my doors in my home for the holiday season. So it's a really awesome, inexpensive, quick hack that's going to help save the finishings of your door frame. So you don't have to worry about having to repaint, putting nail holes in your walls, anything like that. So it's a really awesome hack. I think you'll really enjoy it. So what are you going to need to follow along with me in this project? You're going to need some chicken wire. It's up to you on how you want to buy it. The one that I bought last season was just a roll of chicken wire, and I unrolled it and I cut it into strips that I needed. Be very careful, it's very sharp, so make sure that you're wearing some really thick gloves, and then you're going to want some good wire cutters. I had to basically go through and cut this whole thing. This was one big long piece and I had to cut it into strips, just like so. You can see there's also holes every so often. Again, this is one that I used last year and I was able to store it inside of a box and reuse it this year. That's what's so great about this project. So within each one of these holes, what you need to put in them are these little command strip hooks. And really any hook will do, so it's up to you on which one you want to use. But I just wanted something small and petite that wouldn't show. That's what it looks like. It's about the size of my thumb, you guys. It's just teeny tiny. And then I reuse these every single year. And all you do is very carefully, you would just go in and you would slide in these hooks like so. See how I'm doing that? You would do it all the way across. And probably what you'd want to do first before you slide those in is you're going to have to buy new command stickers every single year because you can't reuse those, right? So I went and bought some new stickers. I'm going to put the stickers on the back of these. I'll slide these in. I'm going to take off the back of the sticker and then we'll go ahead and we're going to hang it on our door frame. Now, once this is hung, what do? You can put up whatever decor your little heart desires. So what I did is I got a few little sprigs, like little bundles. So this is a cute one that I got from my local craft store. So it's just, see how it's just a wire like that? So all you would do, once this is hanging on your wall, you just go and you shove it in the wire like that. So this part goes behind where the side of your wall, but it doesn't scratch your wall. I didn't have any problems with it scratching my wall last year. So that's one little bundle of sprig that I got. Here's another one that I got that had some ornaments on it. You guys can pick and choose whatever you want to use to match your holiday decor. And then of course, last but not least, is the ornaments. This is what makes it so fun and beautiful. So you just get your ornaments. You're gonna have, just a standard ornament hook. You're gonna hook it to your ornament, and then you can either hook it like you would on a Christmas tree, just kind of like a hook here, or you can do the same thing as the sprigs, where you have that line there. You barely see that line. You have this wire here that you shoved in. You could do the same thing with that and just kind of shove in the wire. So however you want to do it, the end result though is so great, you guys. It turned out so cute last year and I can't wait to show you what it looks like. So without further ado, let's go play. All right, you guys, here we are down below. Just to show you, you can barely see that chicken wire. Now my doors are a little bit taller because my door frame has that extra window above it. So if you have the regular door frame, like for instance, right here, then you might be able to see it a little bit more. Just make sure that you put a lot of fluff in there so you have a lot of extra greenery and you won't be able to see it. All right, you guys, that's it for today's tutorial. What did you guys think? Are you gonna try it? I hope you do. And if you guys do, make sure you take pictures and share them with the rest of us in our Facebook group, which is Emma's Cottage DIY. I love to see what you guys create. If you guys like the content of this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up so that I can continue to make more. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, but the most important thing, you guys, ring that bell so that you will get notified anytime that I upload a new video. Until next time, we'll see you later, friends.